Hi to all my fans in Singapore. Thank you so much for coming to the show. I love you and I'll see you soon.
Sean, thank you so much for being here today. We actually sent our Mendes army to do a task, which is to send us some questions to ask you. So these are going to be quick fire.
Perfect.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
At Mendes SG asks, which is the most challenging song to perform live?
The most challenging? It depends. It kind of changes every night. Lately, the most challenging for me is Don't Be a Fool.
Cherry Mendes asks, do you love our hawker centers?
What are the hawker centers? The malls?
It's kind of like a food court, but it's open air.
I've been in like all of them.
Nice.
Yeah, they're cool.
Okay, next question is from Sharon Jo. So what's the craziest thing a fan has done for you?
They have done very extremely crazy things. I don't know. I mean, actually, coming to here was like one of the biggest crowds of fans I've ever seen at an airport in my whole life. And they were awesome because once I got in, everyone just like got in a line and we took photos and it was super nice.
All right, Losing Roses asks, which Disney princess will you be and why?
I would be, what's the not Frozen princess? The other one?
Anna.
Anna. Yeah, I'd be Anna.
Why though?
I don't know, I just like her vibe.
Okay, last Twitter question is from @SeanMuffins_. Would you date a Singaporean girl?
Sure. I don't think there's rules.
Right. Look at us. All right, so we've got a question of our own. Preeti and I are actually partners on our show called The Hot 20, and we're partners in crime as well. So we want to know, who is your partner in crime?
Partner in crime? I would say all of my fans are my partner in crime. I don't really have one specific partner in crime, but they help me for sure.
Thank you so much for your time, Sean. It was lovely meeting you, and all the best for your concert tonight.
Thank you.